All right, home stretch here. We are going to try to state the similarity statement in each of these triangles. So we want to see what things go with what. So I want to know what angles are going to go together. I know L and L are going to go together here because they are vertical angles, and then B and M are going to go together. So down here, I have triangle. It looks like it's going to go, if it goes L, M, N, L, M, N, then I'm going to go L, B, A. So I want in my statement for M and B to be congruent and L to be congruent. And then A and N just have to fall in place. On number 2, I got to check and see how these triangles are similar. Or are they similar? So I know these are congruent by vertical angles. So is 52 over 117 equal to 48 over 108? Or is 52 over 108 equal to 48 over 117? So I've got to grab my calculator and do those calculations. All right, so 52 over 117 is, if I try that in my calculator, it's 0.44 repeating. This is also 0.44 repeating, so it looks like it goes 52 to 117. If I look at the other ones, 52 over 108, that's 0.48 and 0.41, so those don't work. So that means that RT is going to go with LM for sure. And I probably didn't really even need to do all that because obviously those guys are going to be proportional to each other. All right, on number 3, I'm going to use the similarity statement to help me out here. So I have SR or RS, and that's 8. And I'm going to make that go with RQ, which is 18. RQ 18. So RS is CD. CD is over here, so I want that to be my X. And then, let's see, CB goes with 117. So that's going to go down here. I did work with a student yesterday or today, and we rotated or reflected this top triangle here and flipped it down, and that seemed to help a little bit. So I could redraw it like this, and the S is what got reflected, and the R stayed and the Q stayed. And then my RS is 8 and my RQ is 18. So you could maybe see a little bit better that these guys were in ratios. So then I'm doing 8 times 117. So that's 936 and 18x from over here. And then I'm going to take that 936 and divide by 18. And I'm going to get x is 52. All right. Home stretch. So on this guy, we are going to have to double check, are we crisscrossing? Essentially, that's the only thing we really want to worry about. So our first one is AB, which is this whole bit over DB. Is that equivalent to AC, this whole bit over EC? And that one would be true. We're staying left over left, right over right. And let's get rid of those guys and try the next one. So the next one is AD over AE. So top left over top right. And then we do AE. Oh wait, sorry, AD over AE. And then DB goes over EC. Okay, so let me try that again because I think I kind of biffed that. So we've got AD over AE. So top left, top right. over bottom left dB equals dB over EC. So this one is also true. Then my very last one, surely one of these has to be false unless you're in Mr. Kessler's world history class as a junior in 1995, and then everything is true or everything is false. Okay, so AD is here and EC is here. Wah, wah. Nope, can't do that. Crisscrossed, false. Don't even have to check. I know I can't go from the top left to the bottom right. Not allowed. So I am done with that one. All right, last one is our 4 ways to prove triangles congruent. You guys are rock stars at this. Angle, angle, and angle, angle, angle. There was a question on whether we had to put the similarity statement on that. You do not, because there's no other ways to prove. That isn't a way to prove triangles are congruent. However, on our last two, side, 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 you must have the similarity. And side, angle, side, you must have the similarity. Those are required for credit. Without them, you get a 0 on the problem. All right, hope this helps. If you have questions, let me know. Test is Friday. Won't see you tomorrow. Feel free to send me messages. I'll do what I can to answer. Have a great day.